While I was running through your profile, I saw that you talked a lot about culture. So I want to ask you that how culture helped you shaping your business mindset.
Absolutely. So I'm originally from Brazil, but I've lived in England and I lived in South Africa and I've done some volunteer work in Vietnam. Love traveling, love culture. And I think for me is understanding that marketing is about people, right? So independent of which industry you're in or what business you have, what service or product you sell, it's a human to human interaction. And I think my curiosity, but also my respect and empathy to other cultures allowed my business to really have a more global approach to marketing. So it becomes all about our clients' customers. And if they're in India, if they're in Brazil, if they're in the US, we're able to really walk a day in their shoes and create marketing that understand their needs, their challenges, their pains, and deliver on that. So, but I think you need to be curious about people. You need to actually be understand that people are different in different places and different cultures, but they're all human, right? We're all human beings, and listening and having empathy for people's journeys always help with marketing and business.